respectful to the jury if there is any outbursts. And to be quite honest, I will not tolerate it out of respect for the jury's decision. We'll let the jury come in.
All rise, jury entering.
You may be seated. I understand the jury has reached a verdict. If you would please hand that to my court attendant. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of murder in the first degree. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of domestic abuse, assault with the intent to inflict serious injury. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your service as jurors. I would assume the defense would like the jury polled. Ladies and gentlemen, what this is that my court attendant will read a question. She will ask for your response to determine if this is indeed your verdict of each of you. I will ask that she identify each of you by number. It would only be 1 through 12, and we will start here in the upper left-hand corner of the jury box, proceed across, and then go to the second row.
Juror number 1, is this and was this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2?
Yes.
Juror number 3?
Yes.
Juror number 4?
Yes.
Juror number 5?
Yes.
Juror number 6?
Yes.
Juror number 7?
Yes.
Juror number 8?
Yes.
Juror number 9?
Yes.
Juror number 10?
Yes.
Juror number 11?
Yes.
Juror number 12?
Yes.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This will conclude your service. I'd ask that you return to the jury room, and I'll be with you shortly. Thank you.
All rise for the jury.
You may be seated. At this time, as the defendant has been found guilty of murder in the first degree, bond will be revoked at this time, and he will remain in custody pending sentencing. And Mr. Prentice, do you wish to address the court?
If I may briefly, Your Honor,
You may.
and this will not be an extensive record, but I do want to inform the court my client is requesting immediate sentencing, particularly in light of the verdicts that were just heard by this courtroom. It's a non-discretionary sentencing situation, and I can make a more extensive record if necessary with respect to a colloquy, but certainly only in the event that the court's going to grant that request.
Thank you. State.
Your Honor, the state resists that request. I've spoken to several family members shortly before coming up to hear the verdict read. I know of at least 2 family members that wish to make a victim impact statement. I anticipate there may be more than that as well. In any event, the family members I spoke to are not prepared to provide a statement right at this moment and would request additional time for sentencing.
Thank you. Mr. Prentes, I can understand your client's request, but at this time, I'm going to deny that. I believe that it would only be respectful to the family to have the opportunity to address the court and be prepared to do so at the time of sentencing. Therefore, that request is denied. I will request that a records check be performed by the 7th Judicial District Department of Correctional Services for the purposes of sentencing. And sentencing in this matter will be set for May 30th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you.